This is an autographed copy of Taylor Swift's Red album, Taylor's version. This is her re-record of the album, and it is autographed by Taylor herself. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Let's see, we have some red tissue paper stars, just in the theme of her Red album. See all the stars underneath there. And there is the autograph. Let's see it up close. It is a bit difficult to read, but it does say Red Taylor's version. There's the back of it. There you have it. That's Taylor's Red album. And for comparison, here is Taylor's Evermore album, along with her Fearless album and her autographs.